Hi guys, today is the unboxing of the Provirtec Pawtent Pet Air Purifier, so you can understand more about why you should choose this HEPA air purifier. Opening the box reveals a user manual, a Pawtent Pet Air Purifier, a pre-filter attached to the 4-in-1 filter, a replacement pre-filter, and a power adapter. As you can see, the power cord is made of bite-resistant material. Installation is very simple. Just unpack the product, install the filtration core, and connect the power. When you turn it on, you can see the real-time concentration of PM 2.5 particles displayed on the screen. Click on fan speed to see 5 wind speed options on the screen. Filter reset. Child lock. Press and hold for 3 seconds to enable or disable the lock. Timer. The settings cycle through 18H when successfully set. The will light up. When pet-friendly mode is activated, the lights will light up. Pet-friendly mode. Hair capture is enhanced, and the fan speed changes smoothly according to air quality. It also features an anti-tipping design. Even if it falls over, it will immediately cut off the power to protect your pet's health. When sleep mode is activated, the sleep mode indicator will light up. Display lights dim after 3 seconds of no operation. Tap any button to wake the display. Turn display off can turn the display lights off or on. The following 2 tests will give you a more intuitive feel for the amazing features of the Pawtent Pet Air Purifier. These are the daily worries of pet families. First, enable the pet-friendly mode of the Provirtec Pet Air Purifier. Look, this pet air purifier acts like a powerful 360 shedding magnet. If an unusual odor or high dust level is detected, the air quality index will change accordingly. This pet air purifier will start working, and the paw's color will return to their normal blue. A pre-filter attached to the 4-in-1 filter forms the 5-stage filtration core. It utilizes an increased pet-grade activated carbon formula and a cold catalyst decomposition filter layer, breaking down odor molecules into water and odorless gases. To easily absorb odors, you can see the changes in the indicator lights on the Provirtec Pawtent Pet Air Purifier screen, showing the process of detecting smoke and quickly handling it. The smoke test results show that the Provirtec Pawtent Pet Air Purifier completed the process in 5 minutes. As pet lovers and proud pet parents, we cannot deny that these fur-legged family members bring us endless joy. But the accompanying pet hair, fur, urinary tract, and mites are ideal breeding grounds for bacteria and mold. Inhaling these tiny hairs can lead to breathing difficulties, and products on the market are prone to containing compounds. The Provirtec Pawtent Pet Air Purifier is a perfect solution to the challenges of pet ownership, allowing you to more easily enjoy your pet's infectious joy, unconditional love, and even their soft, comfortable fur.